Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So I'm back with another anime video. So in the previous two videos of anime, in the Death Note videos, I told that I watched other anime too. I've watched One Punch Man both seasons and Attack on Titan season 1. I have completed it. So today I'm gonna be reviewing One Punch Man. I have reviewed Death Note before. So today I'm gonna be reviewing One Punch Man, and I have a special guest with me today. Hello, it's SKS. You might know him if you watch my channel. If you don't, he's my friend. He has also watched One Punch Man season 1 and 2. So he's gonna also be having a small part in this video. He will be also giving his opinion on One Punch Man. I'll be asking a few questions in the end. So make sure you stick around till the end to know what happens. And if you enjoy this video at any point of time, then make sure you leave a like and also do subscribe to my channel for more anime videos. And let's begin with the video. So first, let's talk about what is One Punch Man all about. So in the series, Saitama, who after 3 years of hard training has become so much powerful that he can defeat his enemies in just one punch, hence the name. Now let's talk about season 1. So basically, as they show in the beginning, Saitama saved a child from a monster once and then he wanted to become a hero. He trained really hard for 3 days, and after that he became so strong that he could defeat any enemy with only one punch. After some time, he becomes bored that his opponent was really worthless as he could defeat anyone with only one punch. But his life changes when a cyborg named Genos arrives and becomes Saitama's disciple after he saw his skills and convinces Saitama to join the Hero Association. Genos, being a strong cyborg, gets a Class S rank, which is the highest rank, but Saitama got to only Class C, failing his written test but passing his physical test by flying colors. Over time, he really quickly made his way to Class B. Over many instances, there were many attacks on the Hero Associations, and much of the time, Saitama came to the rescue, even though he was still Class B. Some of them were a dangerous monster from the House of Evolution, a gigantic asteroid which was threatening the city Z, a pack of deadly monsters which were the clan of the Sea Folk, and a threatening ship which Saitama defeated with ease. Saitama plays a huge role in defeating those threats, but he realizes that the public doesn't know anything about him and they think that he's a scam, which is not the case. In the end, I would just say One Punch Man season 1 was really good. The humor and action was good, even though I would say the plot was mid. The animation was brilliant, the fighting scenes especially. I really enjoyed the show and I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Now we have our guest Hello, it's SKS, whom I would be joining in a call to ask him a few questions about the show season 1, and he would be giving a short review on One Punch Man. So मैं इससे कुछ questions पूछूंगा. I'll ask him some questions. तो पहला है, what do you think about season 1 in general in One Punch Man?
ये मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे मतलब सीजन 1 बहुत लाइक क्या बताऊं वर्ड्स नहीं है मेरे पास मतलब
Season 1 better
ऑसम से
लगा
मतलब
season 2?
बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा हाँ
Season 1 better लगा season 2?
सीजन 1 ऑफ कोर्स जो साइतामा को मतलब पूरा फोकस था उस पे
हाँ सीजन 2 में मतलब सीजन 2 का अगले वीडियो में देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द फाइटिंग सीन्स एंड एनिमेशन इनसाइड ऑफ वन पंच मैन. एनिमेशन कैसा लगा?
म- मतलब बहुत अच्छा था फाइटिंग सीन्स इतने एपिक थे भाई क्या बताऊं
अभी तक तूने कौन कौन से एनिमे देखे? डेथ नोट देखा है?
डेथ नोट देखा है वन पंच मैन देखा है
तो
ड्रैगन बॉल जी देखा है
तो
वही
बेटर
कॉमन है
बेस्ट प्रोडक्शन किसका लगा एनिमेशन में?
वन पंच मैन का
और लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट वाज योर फेवरेट एपिसोड? कौन सा वाला?
वो दोस्त एपिसोड थे सी ड्रैगन के वो वाले
हाँ वो
बहुत
शायद
अच्छा
से
लगा
9 और 10 था. मेरा भी वही फेवरेट था. मेरा 9 10 और 11 वाज माय फेवरेट एपिसोड.
और वो बहुत ही सही था वो
हाँ ठीक है. दैट्स इट इसके लिए. अगले वीडियो में भी आएगा एसकेएस. ओके बाय.